Are you planning to transition into Scrum Master role? Whether you are a professional from IT, project management or business, anyone can transition into a Scrum Master role with few basics that you need to know before you get started. So let's get started with this video where I will walk you through all the needs, tips and tricks and takeaways that are needed to understand how you can transition from any role to a Scrum Master role. So the agenda of this session is we will be covering the below topics majorly. First, who is a Scrum Master? Who can be a Scrum Master? What is the roadmap of becoming a Scrum Master? And what are the certifications needed? What is the next step of a Scrum Master? As in, once you are a Scrum Master, what you can do next? And finally, some tips and takeaways to help you through this transition journey. First of all, who is a Scrum Master? So Scrum Master is not a project manager or he's not a coordinator. Scrum Master is a servant leader who works with the team, who is a coach to the team, and who is a facilitator and who works as an obstacle remover. Their role is all about helping the Scrum team to practice and ensure that there is a smooth collaboration and they are following the Agile principles. The Scrum Master's goal is to remove the obstacles, often known as the impediments, and make sure the Scrum team is able to deliver high quality, high valued product by the end of each sprint. Who can become a Scrum Master? You might be wondering, do I have what it takes to become a Scrum Master? The good news is, if you have good communication skills, if you have leadership skills, if you have facilitation skills, you are a perfect fit. You can absolutely transition into Scrum Master role without any issues. Professionals from background like IT, business, project, product, any industry can transition into a Scrum Master role without any hassle. If you're adaptable, if you have strong problem solving abilities, if you have deep understanding of Agile and Scrum, you're already on a right track. There are certifications which help you transition into the Scrum Master role, but the certifications are not always mandatory. Hands-on experience counts as much as the certifications. So what is the roadmap to become a Scrum Master? First and foremost, please start learning Agile and Scrum principles. You need to build strong foundation and knowledge about the Agile and the Scrum. You need to know what are the roles, you need to understand what are the artifacts, and you need to know what are the events involved in a Scrum. Next step, which is absolutely optional, though if done is often considered a plus, is certification. There are many certifications available in the market. There are two certifications which are considered the top certifications. They are CSM and PSM. We will talk more about them. So all of this is just a starting step. What really matters is how much you are practicing. Start participating in events. If you're already in Agile team, start participating in all the events as an active member. Start coordinating, start communicating, and try to notice how your existing Scrum Master is behaving and talking and facilitating, and try to connect with mentors. There will be professionals who are already in this profession since many years and they have expertise. Try to connect to them, talk to them and collaborate with them. This will definitely help you more than any certification or any bookish knowledge. What's next after Scrum Master? So this is something that you need to keep in your mind, that once you become a Scrum Master, you cannot end your career as a Scrum Master. You have to keep upgrading. So what are the other options that you have got once you have attained the Scrum Master role? So as a Scrum Master, you can work for maybe a couple of years, like 4, 5, 10, up to you. And then after that, a logical next step would be stepping into the role of Agile coach, product owner, product manager, or program or project manager. And there is one more option available which is called RTE, Release Train Engineer. If you are into a safe environment, you can work as an RTE and you can manage the ARTS, Agile Release Train. There are a lot of opportunities for you to transition into once you are done with your Scrum Master role in future. So what are the Scrum Master certifications available in market? So as you transition into this Scrum Master role, the certifications will definitely add on to your resume. If you do not have it, that's all right, but if you have it, definitely it will increase your credibility. As I said earlier, one of the top certification is CSM, Certified Scrum Master, which is offered by Scrum Alliance. The second topmost, or I'm not saying it's not any order as such, but these are the two popular ones, CSM and PSM. Both are always equally considered. We will do a deep dive into these certifications in maybe future videos if needed. Please do comment and let me know if you want to know more about it. However, the second option that we got is called PSM. PSM is Professional Scrum Master. This is offered by scrum.org. So these are the top 2 certifications which everybody does, or every company offers, as in they give the certification reimbursement. As soon as you pass the certification, you get the money back. The other option is Safe Scrum Master, which is provided by Scaled Agile, and then you have Advanced Certified Scrum Master, ACSM, from Scrum Alliance. Then you have Certified Safe Release Train Engineer, RTE, from Scaled Agile. So these are the certifications which actually give you an credibility. They validate your skills, deepen your knowledge, and make you more attractive to the potential employers. Now, what are the final takeaways and tips? Master Agile and Scrum. A deep understanding of Scrum principles, roles, events, and artifacts is mandatory. Second is get certified. As I said earlier, it's kind of a cherry on your cake. If you get certified, this will add to your credibility and your resume will look much fancier. Embrace the servant leadership. Focus on empowering the team. Focus on removing the obstacles rather than managing. You're not a manager, you are a servant leader. Improve communication. Be the bridge between the developers, stakeholders, and leadership. You are the one who is supposed to protect your team, at the same time remove impediments. Be proactive in identifying and addressing the issues which are ongoing in your project, and try to foresee any impediments or distractions that might occur in future as well. Promote agile mindset. Try to encourage flexibility in your team. Try to encourage collaboration and make sure that the team is working towards continuous improvement. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest agile trends. Go through the case studies. Go through the real-time implementations, and always stay updated. Build strong relationships. Foster trust within your team and your organization. Transitioning into a Scrum Master role is an exciting journey filled with growth and opportunities. With the right mindset, skills, commitment to continuous improvement, you will be well on your way in becoming a successful Scrum Master. Thanks for watching this video. Please do not forget to share, like, and comment on this video, and please subscribe to our channel to support us, and stay connected, and we will keep you updated with Agile, Scrum, and more career development related videos.